Hello, welcome back to Desynologhy. Today we are going to make this reflection text effect using GIMP. Without further talking, let's get started. Okay, I imported this image to GIMP. Also, you can use this image for your project. I'll put the link in the description. Once you imported your image, grab the text tool and type the text you need and customize it. I'm using a bold font called YU Gothic with a 250 pixel size. Then press this button to resize the text area. Grab the Move tool and move the text layer to perfectly align with the horizon. Zoom to make it perfect. Now use the alignment tool to align the text to the center of the horizontal axis. Now make a duplicate for the text layer. Then grab the Flip tool. Then go to the tool menu and select vertical and click on the duplicated layer. This will work as the shadow. Press the Control button to move only vertical. Now align the text. You need to make all layers the same size as the base image. For that, select a text layer and go to Layers in the menu bar and press the Layer to the Image Size button. Do this for the Flip layer also. This is an important step for the next filter. Select the text that flipped and click the Filters button in the layer bar. Then come down and select the Map button and go to Displace. You need to add the base image here by clicking this button. Usually, you need to input this same image here. I don't use it, so I deselect it by clicking on this. Then change the horizontal and vertical displacement. In my case, I'm using 50. After that, press OK. Then you can adjust the size and set it to the letter. This effect is almost done. If you want, you can stop it like this. For a more realistic look, I'm going to add motion blur to this shadow. For that, select the shadow layer and go to Filters on the menu bar and go to Blur. Then click Linear Blur and increase the length and press OK. And that's it. Now you can give yourself a hug and like and subscribe.